Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar Jha. I am trying to make you understand organized self-employment, ministry and budget, which is a unique concept. In this episode, I will try to explain you about the organized self-employment ministry budget benefit. My name is Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number is 639736017. Mobile number is 639736017. I am trying to explain that we required organized self-employment ministry and document system because we can make our life with a regular income. I have written the book Truth Only Trumps, which is in my hand, and I am selling it in the market. You can purchase this also. It is trying to explain. It is written by me only in 2001 and this is 2021. I am trying to explain that organized self-employment ministry is linked on the principle right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be having organized life by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain organized self-employment ministry. It can be built by our trust, faith in this book, trust in Amit Kumar Jha, various explanation, trust and faith by the vote, by your convenience, by your understanding. That is why in the regular episode of organized self-employment ministry, I am trying to explain. Let me be very frank that we have Aadhaar card and we have introduction to our constitutional life. Every 5 years we have election. This we understand. But one responsibility which we can make ourselves is that we are the sons and daughters of 6 unborn documented mandir. First is the Shiv Puran Mandir and the various mandir of Shiv Shakti. Second is the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Radha Mandir, which is from the ancient time in the form of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Krishna, Ram, Sita, Krishna Radha Mandir. That it can be also in the documented. Third is the Brahma Saraswati Puran. That is our ancestors like Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Jagdish Chandra Bose and various Hindu laureate who have tried to Subramaniam, Green Revolution stalwart, the ISBN stalwarts who are working in Covishield on the Indian level, and the various types of people who has been working in this field by generating different types of book by the efforts and the atmosphere which our constitution is giving. That is ISBN Puran. It is in the form of month. The document is in the form of month. Fourth is the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the various sons and daughters who has been working in the constitution, like the present leaders, the great leaders, the chief ministers, the prime minister, the council of ministers, the various MPs and MLAs, all the mothers who has been directing our Hindu people how to be truthful, how to move on in life. That mandir, Durga Sapsati, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir with her husband. And fifth is the Varshkrit, the various types of puja, Satyanarayan puja and other types of Bhumi puja, other types of puja, when we call the different god goddess of the Hindu Varshkrit. That book ISBN, that is also in the mandir form. Then this is the fifth form, and the sixth form, that is organized self-employment ministry, that is coming from 20 into 5 is equal to 100%, that is divided into 16.66 into 6 part, that is organized self-employment ministry, the democratic government form, which is trying to make a space in the constitution by democracy, by your faith, by your benevolent behavior, by your reading of this book Truth Only Trumps, which is trying to explain the six family melodrama, which is trying to understand that self-employment government system can come by little bit adjusting the documents and the concept of our father of the nation and the various sacred leaders who has tried to explain up till 31st August 1946, and then constitutional life which our parliamentary fathers and mothers who have been in democratic form has been serving us through the Election Commission of India. Every 5-year vote politics is done. That responsibility can be taken, and we can also do our fundamental duty by self-employment government job. Yes, this is possible by Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Concept which is trying to explain by this book, that if we are making ourselves documented through this mandir by the efforts of the faith and the work which is done by Amit Kumar Jha for generating self-employment government job in each household, we can easily generate regular income. I have also made fiscal credit self-earning self-work sewing table by the grace of this Truth Only Trumps 6 family, which we can see in the form of the dignified Governor House and Rashtrapati Bhavan concept. By understanding the concept, because a concept is a democratic representation where we can discuss the pros and cons of the various things. But one thing is fundamentally clear, that as our vote is important, so does our regular income and our status is required. This is possible by organized self-employment ministry, fiscal credit, self-earning sewing, Election Commission of India. The document will enter by the validity of parliament, by the efforts of our brothers and sisters who is in the parliament and in the Vidhan Sabha, by understanding the concept, and by the help of legislature, it will go to the executive and judiciary in the document form, and we can live an organized life under the supervision of our beloved father and mother who has been building the mandirs in the different quarters of India. The dignified mandir which I have recommended in Truth Only Trumps will be the torch bearer on the path of that. We can build organized self-employment ministry in the documented form. 29 state, 6 union territory, 120 to 130 crore Aadhaar card. Every 5-year election we are doing. Only thing is we are not doing is organized self-employment job, which we can do if we require from 0 to 18 year. We should compulsory take 18 to 58 year. We can simultaneously do our work with the fiscal credit, self-earning per month SOAR, Election Commission of India, vote bank system 16.66 into 6 by the documented method, and by house wise we can divide our Aadhaar card in different houses: Shiv Shakti houses, Vishnu Lakshmi houses, Brahma Saraswati houses, Adi Shakti Jagdamba houses, and each united God and Goddess houses and government houses. And in this way, our industrial brother, our teachers brothers, our all professional brothers, our politician brothers can be the signatory of this organized self-employment ministry. The work which is started by Amit Kumar Jha from 2001, and he has tried to go in flashback to accommodate various types of concept in that from 31st August 1946, so that the adjustment of we all six unborn family can be made in organized manner, and we all in 120 to 30 crore population can adjust with self-employment ministry and move towards 30,000 above. We are living in a materialistic world, a world where money is the priority. But is it possible that anyone will give money? No. When we do work, when we try to serve the work according to that person, then we do. Here in organized self-employment ministry and budget, the document is supreme. The document which we are seeing in the different areas of our area, that Mandir documents gives a shadow of Shiv Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, each united works with God and Goddess, government is. On that Ghantaghar, on that documented path, we can make self-employment. And in the household, with the help of, if we will write to the constitution that we will fundamentally do our duty, what our politicians are saying, in that way we can do industrial work also and double work also, which organized self-employment ministry is trying to propagate. Of course, professionalism is there, but professionalism is between 30,000 above and 30,000 below. 70% of the people are 30,000 below per month earner. We do not give emphasis, and what happens when we are facing the irregular income, financial crisis, at that time we are not able to solve this problem. Why? Because at that time we have not made ourselves documented. Why we have not made ourselves documented? Because we were overconfident. Some of us are lucky in the race when we do graduation or any engineering or any top class degree, we are able to be get placed. For them it is not there. They can also involve in that. But for those who feel that there is problem in employment, there is problem in the employment generation, they can adopt this document and tell, by the faith of Amit Kumar Jha and trust of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, by the truth only trumps and the documented method, that we will serve the country through the documents. We will abide by the rules and regulation of the documents in a democratic manner. We will try to understand different political party voice, their also vote bank, and also our sovereignty, the consumer sovereignty, the citizen sovereignty of democracy, equality, liberty, fraternity, the constitutional sovereignty which Bhim Rao Ambedkar has given to us, and adopt by organized self-employment ministry and budget. Very important thing, because then only regular income can come. Because when we will show our duty toward organized self-employment ministry will also talk to the other annual budget 108 ministry and railway budget 1 ministry and directly to the parliament. by the voice of people, because the voice of people has been heard in 1789 in French Revolution, the American Revolution, and the various types of revolution which we have drawn for the building of organized life. Again, a self-employment concept is required in a democratic manner, where the industrial people, the general citizen, the documented people, we have documented ourselves in Aadhaar card, election commission card, but regular income card we have not documented. We have to understand the concept of 30,000 above and 30,000 below. When we will understand the concept of 30,000 above and 30,000 below, we will be able to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. I, Amit Kumar Jha, is trying to explain in the various YouTube lecture that it is in our hand. Regular income can come, and the work will be also optional, because the work generated by the ministry is on the basis of vote bank and election commission, and 16.66% into 6 is equal to 100% work vote bank on the parliamentary methods. It is the modern method by which we try to administer the mentality of the people, so that people can also live a regular income life all over India. They can also do marketing and other types of work, and safeguard to our women and men can be done, and the workers of unorganized sector and all those who want to be connected can be easily done. What is there? We are living in election commission from 1947, when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Bhimrao Ambedkar and other leaders, and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose and other types of leader propagated for that. But now Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and other type of leader propagated that. But now we have to understand, the time has come where we have to understand the documented method, because the documented method is a validity method. As we are taking the vaccination, similarly it is a type of vaccination, because as we Hindu are putting the various ideal and worshipping by offering flowers to our god and goddess and different prasad, similarly by putting the documents, we accept the vote bank theory that yes, the reflection of Shiv Puran, the reflection of Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the reflection of Brahma Saraswati, the ISBN Puran, the stalwarts, Hindu stalwarts like Vinoba Bhave, Vivekanand, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chand Chatterjee has written in the book, the ISBN book, which has revolutionized the national movement. The emotional sentiment has been generated by the Indians for making election commission and national movement, that Brahma Saraswati Puran and the other types of various types of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, whose sons and daughters have served in the Indian army and other types of political missions, truth, non-violence missions, various types of doctors, mothers, fathers who have served the nation, to giving these types of stalwarts, all these mothers in the Durga Saptati and the other documentation, Varshkrit, the various types of god and goddess in the Hindu Varshkrit which we are worshipping, and the Constitution of India and various types of constitutional duties which we are doing day and night for the Constitution. All this can be documented in the vote bank form into 16.66 into 6, and we can understand in our mind, and we can generate self-employment government job. The concept is very neat and clean. We have to purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps. We have to understand Truth Only Trumps, and automatically it will set in our mind, and organized self-employment ministry can be made. Very easy concept, very easy. The democratic mobilization in the ministry form, where industry and ministry are brothers. In the document form, we can see the industry is also working and the ministry worker is working. Have you seen? We are only reading in the national movement form. The work of our national leaders who has by their money from 1885 to 1946, 31st August 1946, has spent their money and did national movement. The various political leaders who are spending their money in order to earn name, faith and trust. What for that? Just for generating truth vote. That yes, my citizen, my people will vote. This can be done in the documented form in 16.66 into 6, that truth only trumps. This book is generating through organized self-employment ministry. We self-employed private sector worker, we job-oriented people, we people of India can adopt, enact and give to organized self-employment ministry by signaturing. We are the learned people, graduate, postgraduate, who is trying to make various types of concept for the development of humanity. We have to understand that we are living in 2021. I have written this book in 2001 and it is 2021. I have been trying to explain this in various form just because I want you to understand. Purchase this Truth Only Trump book, understand and try to adjust. That yes, generate faith in yourself that organized self-employment ministry can be built. What work we are doing, we can document by writing in front of ministry, and ministry will give validity. One income, one work, one self, one can be organized, and the parliamentarians can easily validate it in the parliament in the form of vote bank. Their work will also come, and Amit Kumar Jha work will also come, and your work will also come, and regular income will be generated. Because we have to work together. Until and unless we will not work together, we cannot make a nation. The various types of Agni missile, the PSLV and the various types of mission which we have made by Green Revolution, which we have made, the ISBN work of Covishield by the various Hindu scientists which we have made, the contribution we can document it in the form of 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100% vote bank, and we can validate in the parliament, and in the form of Rashtrapati Bhavan concept we can develop self-employment government job in ourselves through the faith in Truth Only Trumps and Amit Kumar Jha. We can easily generate regular income, fiscal credit value. It is in our hand. We have to effort, we have to generate the faith in organized self-employment ministry. We have not made annual budget 108 ministry which was developed in 1778 according to that work schedule, because in those days it was not there. We did not generate a railway ministry in that form because we did not train in that form. But now this organized self-employment ministry is working with organized employed and organized self-employed. Both workers are there. Unorganized self-employed workers are also working in this, and unorganized self-employed workers are also working, and organized employed workers are also working, who is understanding the various types of book contribution which has been made through legislature, executive and judiciary, power division concept, the election commission concept, the election commission vote card concept. Mature people are there who understand that what is the work of a ministry, a constitutional statement which can be cross-examined in the court. That is what this is trying to explain. We are doing different types of work. We are doing affidavit. What is that? It is the constitutional statement of an individual in front of court that this is a valid statement. Similarly, by this Truth Only Trump organized self-employment ministry, we can generate regular income. By constitutional statement we can give through organized self-employment ministry, that we are 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, and this is the document Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Varshkrit, Durga Saptati and the Constitution of India, and we are working under this. What will happen? 30,000 above and 30,000 below, constitutional regular income will come. Self-employment, government income will generate. I, Amit Kumar Jha, has made fiscal credit table. I have made it by dividing the various age 0 to 18 years, 18 to 32 years, 32 to 46 years and 46 to 58 years. Various degrees measurement has been taken from the illiterate class to the 5th pass class, to the 8th class pass, to the 10th class pass, to the 12th class pass, to the plus 2 pass, to the graduation pass, to the post graduation pass, to the PhD pass. And through the document, through the work and faith and trust of Truth Only Trumps organized self-employment ministry and 6 Mandir documents, which we can see by the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, we can make a constitutional validity on income, work, education, faith, cert and caste in organized self-employment ministry. What will happen? Fiscal credit salary will generate. If the government will validate, the legislatures will pass the law, it will go to the executive and judiciary will take our signing documents, and at any time, we are in 2021, we can go in flashback. 31st August 1946, we can come to the ordinary current date, that is June 2021, and again we can move with the time. The organized documents can be entered into Gazette of India. And what will happen? Regular income will come, because we have already made 120 crore or might be 130 crore Aadhaar card. Even children Aadhaar card has been made. Election Commission has made above 18-year election card. And those new youth who is entering into 18 years, they are making election commission card. What we have not made, that fiscal credit, self-earning, self-work, certain caste qualification table through organized self-employment ministry, which I have made through this Truth Only Trumps organized self-employment ministry from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, Amit Kumar Jha, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, and trying to sell this book in order to enhance the ordinary life of a people who can have self-employment government job by the concept which I am regularly focusing through organized self-employment ministry by the lecture. We have to generate trust in Truth Only Trumps, the document which was generated by our national heroes before 31st August 1946 by spending their own money for making Election Commission of India in unity, and the various work of our ancestors and present politicians who have been keeping the dignity of the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, both Parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. We have to understand the work. A respect, a vote bank is required, which can generate a work attitude, a self-employment work attitude. Yes, I am organized self-employed by Amit Kumar Jha concept. Automatically, what will happen? We will try to go above 30,000 above. In between, 12 months are there: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Every month fiscal credit salary will come. It will change into pension at 18, 32, 46 and 58 years, because optional work can be easily done in organized self-employment. The work which we are doing in the private sector, which we are thinking, and the extra work which we are doing by ministry, because the senior member of the organized self-employment ministry can tell this work we have to do, complete the work, and you do the private sector work. What will happen? We as a politicians, we as a worker, we as a social worker, we as a person will be regularized income. And when we will have regularized income, what will be? This is vaccination of regularity. By the document method, we can see the document. We can see by thinking, when we will put Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Truth Only Trumps, Durga Sapsati, the Constitution of India, the Varshkrit. We are the civilization of these documents. We have reached to Aadhaar card. We have to move little bit more to become ourselves self-employment government servant. And by optional work, we can do private sector work also, and we can do the government sector work also. And what will happen? From immediately after 18 years, if we require the self-employment government job, we can join in this ministry. And by joining in this ministry, what will happen? We will have regular income, fiscal credit salary. Society will respect, yes, we are doing organized self-employment. And we can take the help of our senior members. There are so many people in ministries who are counseling, who are trying to make us understand. A guidance like elder brother, a guidance like parents will come, because they are also working in ministry. Because if we are joining at 18 years, 32 years members are there, senior 46 year members are there, 58 year members are there in ministry. They can be our senior, they can guide us. How we are in 6 families, how we have made housewives, and we can make a trust by the understanding Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism, documentism. What Amit Kumar Jha is telling from Sardapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63, mobile number is 63973607717, and trying to make us understand that how organized self-employment ministry can generate by our faith. 1 member, 2 member, 3 member, automatically we all will be attached to Vidhan Sabha and Parliament. A organized self-employment politician work will generate, because politicians also want that their work should be dignified, and this is possible by organized self-employment ministry. We are generating, like industry work is there, one utensil is prepared, industry work is seen, but a politician work is seen in 5 years. By this document system, every month fiscal credit salary will show the work of the 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs and MLCs by documentation method. And what we people will get? A democratic organized life, where we can have a planning. If we have done graduation according to fiscal credit table, suppose fiscal credit is given 15,000, we can generate 7,500 pension from that. But the public, the people has to trust on Amit Kumar Jha, because we have to understand that we have to give faith, then only Parliament can give to us status. That truth, non-violence faith is required. That faith by which our stalwarts wrote the constitution, and we be dignified citizen of country, try to salute our forefathers that yes, we are the citizen of freedom. That we have to understand through this document, that yes, we are self-employed. We have not done graduation, or we have not done post-graduation. We will do. We will become human resource, human capital. We have to work hard. Regular income is provided by our brothers MP and MLAs and various types of politicians. This is the work of our politicians. This is the work of our industry. This is the work of our teachers. We have to understand the various ISBN book that Hindu has written. That is the work of the Brahma Saraswati. The various political legislatures which has been done by the Parliament of India, it is the work of politicians. The various types of industrial work, it is the work of our industrial brothers, by which we have become self-reliant. We have to understand Amit Kumar Jha, the documentalism by which we can generate organized self-employment ministry, regular income. We have to come up, we have to generate faith in ourselves and write the document. And by this, what will happen? the trust will generate between the public and the politician. The vote bank will generate. The vote bank will be responsible in the election. We can cross-examine each other in the various houses, and we can tell to the people that, also to the politicians, that we want this, and they also can tell you have to do this. We have to understand we are brothers and sisters. We are living in a fraternity age. We are living in equality, liberty, fraternity age. We have to understand. Now the world is in 2021. We have seen the corona phase, how the employment has been a question mark. What is the condition of our economy? What to talk of our economy? American economy and China economy and other types of economy is also suffering from the corona attack. Russian economy. We have to understand. We have to generate self-employment, ministry and budget, regular income. The work of our brothers politicians, which can be documented. 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%. On that basis, we can become 6 house members by the grace of the Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Varshik, and Indian Constitution. And in 6 houses, we can generate our work, and we can take responsibility. Optional work we can generate in organized self-employment ministry. We can do industrial work also. We can do teaching also, and different types of social work also. And what will be the support? By this Amit Kumar Jha, we will get regular income. The regular income from 18 years to 15 years. We will do our constitutional duty by the understanding organized self-employment ministry and budget. What is I am trying to explain? I am trying to explain that we can generate regular income by talking with our politicians, by talking with Amit Kumar Jha, by understanding and trust with him in the work of a politician, how ministry, how a newcomer has to work, has to make understand when equality, liberty, fraternity came as a concept in the form on this earth. It has to prove its work, and it has proved by making parliament, democratic parliament. The successful parliament, the successful democratic life is the result of this. Organized self-employment ministry want to work for the infinite population, infinite professions of industrial people and the politicians. We have to work together with the blessing of our fathers and mothers who are working in this sector. From the ancient time, crores and crores of mandirs have been made. What is that? The truthness of our forefathers who has made different types of mandir. The Shiv Parvati Mandir, the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, the Ram Sita Mandir, the Krishna Radha Mandir, the Brahma Saraswati Mandir, the ISBN Mandir, which has been made by our stalwarts, heroes who has read the various types of English books by understanding Jagdish Chandra Bose and the Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, these types of authors who has written the various types of Nobel Prize Rabindranath Tagore has got. We have to understand this. This is the work of the politician. A ministry should be made, organized self-employed ministry should be made, how we have to generate by organized method, so that our vote bank should be reflected by accepting the concept of Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. And then we have to understand that a politician also has to go below 30,000 so that vote can be generated. We have to respect each other. When we purchase anyone work, any industry work, then only we respect that person, because we know today is economical age. The activities, a mother who is serving her son and daughter is only a mother, but that same mother is serving in other work and she is getting salary. It is economical activity. We have to understand that organized self-employment by document is generating economic activity. If we will respect, if we will give economic status, we will get fiscal credit salary. We have to understand this. We have to understand, we have to work with Amit Kumar Jha, and we have to make organized self-employment ministry, fiscal credit salary system. This will generate pension at 18, 32, 46, 58 year and lifelong. We can serve optionally in that. Organized self-employment will guarantee our self-employment, and we can divide 30,000 above and 30,000 below constitutionally. Automatically it will be safe. We are wearing helmet when we are moving on two-wheelers. Similarly, it is a type of helmet by which we are organizing our self-employment ministry and budget. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry can generate regular income. This is the work of a politician. How we have to generate the faith, trust which has been generated by ancient politicians in equality, liberty, fraternity, that we have to generate by organized self-employment ministry, Unison view that yes, we want organized self-employment ministry, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit swing system. Thank you.